Hey everyone, welcome to the Quiz Game channel. I'm excited to have you here because today's quiz is all about the essential tools in the kitchen. Yes, it's the cooking tools quiz. Whether you're a seasoned chef, a budding home cook, or just love hanging out in the kitchen, this quiz is perfect for you. We've got 50 fun and intriguing questions that cover everything from tools used for mixing, slicing, and grinding, to those specialized gadgets for brewing coffee or baking the perfect cupcake. Here's how it works. I'll ask a question, and you'll have 10 seconds to pick the correct answer from 4 options. After time's up, I'll reveal the right answer. You can play solo or bring your friends along to test who knows their kitchen gadgets best. Before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to keep up with our latest quizzes. There's always something new to learn, and every quiz brings a fresh challenge. Ready to test your culinary toolkit knowledge? Get comfy, grab a snack, and let's dive into the first question. Which tool is used to mix dough? Which tool is used to roll out dough for baking? Which tool is used to serve soup or stew? Which tool is used to grind coffee beans? Which tool is used to slice bread? Which tool is used to make waffles? Which tool is most commonly used to peel the skin off vegetables? Which tool is used to bake cupcakes? Which tool is used to strain soup? Which tool is used to slice vegetables thinly? Which tool is used to toast bread? Which tool is used to open wine bottles? Which manual tool is used to beat eggs? Which tool is used to chop nuts? Which tool is used to steam vegetables? Which manual tool is commonly used to whip cream? Which tool is used to strain pasta? Which tool is used to open cans? Which tool is used to sharpen knives? Which tool is used to slice cheese? Which tool is used to flatten chicken breasts? Which tool is used to measure flour? Which tool is used to grind spices? Which tool is used to measure the temperature of food? Which manual tool is used to mix and beat ingredients? Hey! What do you think about this video? How reasonable is it to you? If you have any other ideas like this, please comment below. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, share, and press the bell icon. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Which tool is used to separate egg yolks from whites? Which tool is used to cut pizza into slices? Which tool is used to melt chocolate? Which tool is used to bake bread? Which flexible tool is used to scrape ingredients? Which tool is used to cut pie crust? Which tool is used to blend soups and sauces smoothly? Which tool is used to zest citrus fruits? Which tool is used to crush garlic cloves? Which tool is used to grate nutmeg? Which tool is used to make coffee? Which tool is used to separate fat from gravy? Which tool is used to measure small amounts of ingredients? Which tool is used to fry food? Which tool is used to strain liquids from food? Which tool is used to boil and steam food? Which tool is used to make sandwiches? Which tool is used to grate cheese or vegetables? Which tool is used to serve pasta? Which tool is used to make pasta? Which tool is used to make ice cubes? Which tool is used to froth milk for coffee? Which tool is used to mix cake batter? Which tool is used to make crepes? Which tool is used to scoop ice cream? Thanks for watching our quiz game channel. We hope you enjoyed the quiz. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun challenges. Share with friends and let us know your quiz ideas in the comments. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you next time. Bye for now.